Hi y'all, this is Valerie. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Today I'm going to be doing a deep cleaning of my locks. So if you've subscribed to me for a while, you know that I got my locks in February 2021. It's been almost 2 years and 8 months and I never had a deep cleaning. So instead of going to the shop and paying $75 to $150 for deep cleaning, I thought I'd do it myself. So if you can see, I do have a lot of buildup from years of putting products in my hair. So I'm going to attempt it myself. So I did a lot of research and looked at some YouTube videos. So this is the products that they suggested to use. So let me show you what I have. So I use some baking soda, apple cider vinegar. I got the Kroger. I didn't need to get brand names, not that serious. And optional, some lemon juice. This is one big freshly squeezed lemon juice. And it came to 1/8 cup. And then it was telling me that to soak it in some water. So I'm doing it by myself. Usually you'll pour all that stuff, but I gotta put everything in the water and just soak my hair, maybe about 20-30 minutes, and do it twice. And after I finish that, it says then you can shampoo it with the clarifying shampoo. I got the Paul Mitchell Shampoo 2. And you can see in the back it says deep clean hair with this lemony fresh clarifying shampoo. Excellent for oily hair. It removes dulling buildup and leaves locks squeaky clean. So that's what I'm looking for to do. And as well as some leave-in conditioner. Says gets into your scalp with the original leave-in conditioner. Help balance moisture, prevent dryness, and improve texture. Leave-in conditioner. And this is the only thing I use on my hair. Here is the African Pride Black Castor Oil. I'll put that on the scalp. Alright, so let's get started. Put these to the side. The water's kind of warm. It's hard. This water takes a minute to get hot, but it's kind of getting there. So I'm going to go ahead and let that run. And then I'm going to start adding the items as it get a little hotter. So I'm back. The water is getting a little hot. Barely, but it's not warm. So let me go ahead and start pouring the product in with items in. I'm just going to eyeball the mouth of the baking soda. And then I'm going to use a cup full of apple cider vinegar. It's actually half a cup. Oh, God, freezes. Yeah, that bubbled up. All right, so I'm going to put my head here and see what I do. I might need to add a little bit more on in there. So I'll see the YouTubers do it. Oh, it smells. We'll use this little cup to come apart. Water's getting a little muddy over there. So the water's getting dry. See if I can add a little more baking soda, just a little bit. Of course, I can't see what I'm doing. Add a little more vinegar. And a cup. Freeze up my fingers. So that watch that freezing up. Supposed to activate with the bubbles. How much of water I got? Okay. So that's the first deep clean first time. Let's see what it looks like so far. Let's see it building up. Still, let me let this up. Still see some of the buildup. That's why I recommend that you do it more than once. So let me go ahead and pour this water out, this muggy water out. Do it a second time. See the water going on, see all the residue? Yuck. Second class. Half a cup. I'll put a fourth of a cup, then I'm going to add more to it. You can still see I still have some more residue. I guess I recommend that you do it twice. So let's go ahead and get in there again. Water's getting muggy again. It's going to be my last pour. Then activate the bubbles. Lay back and start breathing. All right, let's see what it looks like. All right. Let's see. This looks a lot better. Looks a lot better. See a little bit there. Now I'm gonna go ahead and shampoo it and I'll come back. This one's a little more subby. The second wash. It's looking better. Dry off and see you on the dry spot. Hi y'all, I'm back. So I finished shampooing my hair twice. Now I'm going to condition it. They said I'm putting on conditioner on damp hair. So I dried my hair. As you can see, the residue is pretty much gone. It feels so light. It's not all way down and heavy. So let me go ahead and do the apply a small amount of clean. Apply a small amount on clean damp hair. So I don't actually use conditioner. First time I use conditioner, I usually use the shampoo. Shampoo and conditioner 2-in-1. So that's what the conditioner looks like. So because you put it on your scalp or the hair period. I don't know if I'm even doing it right, but it's the way I'm doing it. So if anybody see me in the video that I'm doing it the wrong way, please leave it description box below. The best way to do it is the leave-in conditioner. All right, put a little bit in the back. Oh, that's a little bit too much. Uh-oh. I don't know if it's actually, you guys can see it or not. All right, so that's the leave-in conditioner. So this is my hair after my deep clean. Let's see. Leave-in conditioner, leaving a little residue. Just rub it in a little more and let it dry. So this is my hair afterwards, the deep cleaning. You know, got nice and light. Okay, my first deep clean after my very first deep clean after having like 2 years and 8 months. So that's what it looks like. So I'm very satisfied. So I believe they say you can deep clean once every 6 months or once a year. So maybe I'll try to do it again in 6 months and make sure watch all the type of product I'm putting in my hair. So from here on out, I'm going to do my best just to put this African Pride oil on the scalp, and don't put anything on the locks itself, so that way we won't get all that product buildup. And I'm due for a new retwist, so I may go ahead and do it myself and go to the shop. It's the after effect, so it looks like I'm very satisfied. So thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. If you have any tips of the way that I did my deep cleaning, I would encourage you guys to do the same. Instead of going to the shop and get it done, you can do it yourself. And that's it for my video. Thank you for watching again. Please like, subscribe, and share if you haven't already. Please leave comments in the below. That really helps my channel. See you next time. Bye. Be on my luck journey.